I'm going to show you how to make my delicious green goodness frittata with lemon, feta and basil. This is a fantastic recipe that you can use up and clean out your fridge in one go. And you know what? If you haven't got any of the ingredients that I'm showing you today, just use whatever you have in the fridge. It'll work and it'll be fantastic. And better still, it's full of vitamins, minerals and all the things that are good for you. And it's great for food prep too, because this frittata is going to last about 3 days in the fridge. So just a little bit of olive oil in a pan, and we're going to saute off about 500 grams of sliced zucchini, just over a medium heat. Now, whilst the zucchini is cooking away, I'm just going to slice some gorgeous asparagus. Now, I always save the ends of my asparagus to make a stock and throw it into a stock, so I want to save those for later. I like to add a little bit of salt to my frittata as well. It stops it from becoming too watery as well, and it keeps it lovely and gorgeous. Now, whilst that's happening, we've got my asparagus here ready to throw in. So this is softening up nicely. Just give it another 2 minutes or so in the pan. And at the same stage, I'm going to zest a little bit of lemon zest. That gives it a lovely, gorgeous fragrance. This goes magnificently well in this refreshing springtime, summertime frittata. Okay, now I'm going to add my asparagus as well as my green peas. Give it a good mix, make sure it's fully incorporated through. Okay, this is great. This has been cooking for around about 5 minutes now, and the vegetables are nice and soft. So I'm going to throw in a few spring onions here. And give that a mix through. Whilst this is happening, I'm going to beat my eggs. You can use about 6 to 8 eggs. Now, what I find that really works well in a frittata is adding a splash of milk. This helps it keep it nice and moist without it going too rubbery. Okay, now we're setting this aside, and we're going to end the last little embellishments to this frittata. So a nice handful of basil leaves. That's going to impart a lovely, lovely flavour. This is like a health spa on a plate. How good is this? It's amazing. And now you might think this is weird, but I'm chopping up some gem lettuce here. It goes wonderfully well in a frittata. It's beautiful and it gives a lovely green colour and flavour. And you can also use some baby spinach as well. I'm using both. Full of vitamins, full of protein, full of minerals and antioxidants. Couldn't ask for better than that. This looks fantastic. Now, what you want to do is pour the egg mix over the frittata, just all over the vegetables and the leaves. So what I want to do now, top of the frittata with some gorgeous tomatoes, some baby tomatoes. These are nice little Romas. And last but not least, my very favourite goat's feta. So be generous with the goat's feta. I like to use around 100 grams of nice big chunks, and it's going to marry perfectly with all the lovely lush green vegetables in this dish. So this is looking fantastic. This goes into a moderately hot oven, about 180 to 190 degrees for around about 25 to 30 minutes or until it's set on top. What a lovely, healthy meal, quick and easy way of feeding your whole family or when entertaining.